PRP, stem cells and other medical treatments, the outcomes can become even much better. Our goal is not just to treat a disease, our goal is to restore health at the cellular level. In our center, we combine advanced medical therapies and treatments with supportive therapies that improve the body's internal environment. For example, we use exercise with oxygen therapy to improve oxygen delivery to the tissues and enhance mitochondrial function. We use red light therapy and photobiomodulation to improve cellular repair, nerve healing and reduce inflammation. Also stimulate the mitochondria and reduce the mitochondrial dysfunction. We use hydrocolon therapy to support the gut detoxification and improve digestive health, which is closely linked to immunity and metabolism. We use foot reflexology and Ayurvedic therapies to stimulate nervous pathways, improve circulation and balance the autonomic nervous system. When these therapies work together, something remarkable happens. When we combine both the traditional therapies like Ayurveda and naturopathy along with EWOT, red light therapy and the stem cells regenerative medicine, the body's self-healing capacity improves tremendously. Patients experience better energy, improved circulation, reduced inflammation, better nerve function and overall wellness without having absolutely any side effects. And when we combine this supportive environment with advanced regenerative therapies like PRP, stem cells and other medical treatments, the outcomes can become even much better. Our goal is not just to treat a disease, our goal is to restore health at the cellular level. We want to help people improve their energy, slow down aging, prevent chronic diseases, recover from nerve and eye disorders like retinitis pigmentosa, macular degeneration, dystrophies, improve the quality of life. In simple words, we are trying to create a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern medical science. Because the future of medicine is not one system versus another. The future of medicine is integration. And that is the simple reason why the Indian government, the present budget has allotted about 10,000 crores for integrating modern medicine with the ancient traditional medicine. Thank you, dear friends, for watching and hope it was useful to you. If it is, please help by sharing this with others, and that will help you and your friends achieve better health and wellness. Thank you.